Honorable Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka, Honorable Ministers and Members of Parliament, Governor of the Reserve Bank of Fiji, Directors of BSP Life and BSP Bank, members of the BSP Fiji family, distinguished guests, Bula Vanaka and welcome. Tonight we gather to celebrate a remarkable milestone, the 150th anniversary of BSP Life. Yes, 150 years. Very, very few companies in the world are around after 150 years. I reflect on what this anniversary truly represents. I do not think about years or decades, though, or even achievements. I think about people. The people who 150 years ago founded this organization, people who trusted it, people who served it, and the people whose lives have been strengthened because of BSP Life. From 1876 till today, the institution has evolved through various brands, all of which became household names with one purpose in mind: to make a difference in the lives of our customers and communities of Fiji and contribute to nation building. As we've reminisced on our history, one constant theme has emerged. Every generation has left BSP Life stronger than they found it. From the early pioneers over 100 years ago to the leaders who guided it and the generations of employees and industrious insurance advisors who dedicated their career crafted the enduring institution we celebrate tonight. Also of significance is BSP's Life standing as the oldest company within the BSP group. BSP Life's history predates the other institutions that comprise our family across 7 countries in the South Pacific. Over decades, BSP Life has stood as a symbol of stability and trust. As the wider BSP group, we are proud to embody that legacy. We serve millions of customers through banking and insurance, united by a common purpose, as you heard tonight, put to music, championing prosperity for the South Pacific. We recognize that the financial services landscape continues to evolve very rapidly, driven by changing customer expectations, emerging technologies, and new market dynamics, both here and Fiji, around the region, and across the globe. Customers expect greater convenience, more personalized services, and sustainable value. Our responsibility, therefore, is not merely to keep pace with that change, but to lead it. We are investing in technology, strengthening our capabilities, optimizing our group's strength, and building for the future, whilst remaining true to the values that have earned the trust of customers for generations. Because while technology evolves, trust is timeless. So while we are immensely proud of our history, we now mark the next chapter in our story. The world we navigate going forward will be vastly different from the one that we've inherited. New opportunities will emerge, new challenges will arise as new generations of customers look to institutions like BSP Life to help them achieve their aspirations. To our customers, those customers here tonight, those customers across Fiji, thank you for your loyalty. We have many examples of generations of customers that have chosen BSP Life, and we never take that confidence for granted. To our staff and advisors, both past and present, thank you for your compassion and your commitment. To our board and leadership teams, business partners and stakeholders, thank you for helping shape who we are today. To the government of Fiji, represented this evening by the Honorable Prime Minister, thank you for recognizing the role we play in supporting the prosperity of Fiji. And to the people of Fiji, most importantly, thank you for allowing BSP Life to be part of your journey for the past 150 years. Tonight is a celebration of how far we have come and is an opportunity to make our promise for the future. A promise that we will continue to earn your trust, a promise that we will continue to put customers first, a promise that we will continue to invest in Fiji and the South Pacific, and a promise that the next chapter of BSP Life's story will be every bit as impactful as the last. Here's to 150 years of heritage, trust, and service, and to the future we'll build together. Vanaka Vakalivu, Dhanyavad, and thank you very, very much.
Nawalevu, the chairman, and Ovu, Nawalevu na Wekindawaki, the chairman of BSP Life, Mr. Fleming, honorable ministers, members of parliament, government officials, members of the diplomatic corps. I always address them as they come or not. Senior management and staff of BSP Life and BSP Bank, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulvanaka, a very good evening to you all. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land where we now gather, Nandunmai, Turana Suva, and we pay our respects to their chiefs, past and present, as well as emerging leaders. We also acknowledge their role within the Vanua, and we remain grateful for their custodianship, which has allowed us to establish ourselves and live on, and tonight convene for this important occasion to celebrate this very important national milestone. Very difficult to imagine that Fiji as a colony was only 2 years old when this group started. It is an honor and a privilege to be present here this evening as we celebrate a remarkable milestone of 150 years of leadership, of trust and service within the banking industry. With historic roots dating back to the 1800s, the Bank of South Pacific began its journey under the Colonial Mutual Life Assurance, CMLA, brand, prior to its evolution into the trusted financial institution that we know today. I wonder if they still have my CMLA account. This milestone, ladies and gentlemen, is a reflection of the vision, the resilience and commitment of the bank's leadership, the dedication of its staff over generations, and the loyalty of you, their customers, who have become an integral part of the bank's journey. Our resilience is demonstrated through the collaboration, the shared vision, and strength of key sectors and institutions that collectively drive national growth and ensure a prosperous future for all our people. It is through vital institutions such as BSP Life that our economy can withstand unprecedented financial shocks that emerge stronger, more resilient, and more confident in the face of uncertainty. Their leadership in supporting long-term financial planning and driving significant investments reflects a deep responsibility to policyholders and customers of the BSP family, reinforcing a legacy of trust, of stability, and an unwavering commitment to the communities that they serve. Under the Yabu Collective, BSP Life in partnership with Fiji Airways, will introduce 3 new hotels over the next 6 months to complement their Sofitel asset on Denarau Island. These projects reflect BSP Life's their foresight in driving strategic investments that strengthen our national infrastructure and diversify returns for its policyholders. I understand that other partnerships with the Dubai-based Katsda International are also in the pipeline for the development of an iconic ultra-luxury property on Nadhula Island in the Azores by 2029. These developments will collectively elevate Fiji's position as a regional hub in the Pacific, further strengthening our tourism outlook on the international platform. With tourism arrivals currently situated around, I think this is the wrong figure, 980. They got 98 here. Who's interested in 98? Visitors per month, per month, probably more accurate. During peak periods, these major investments by BSP Life ensure that we have the world-class accommodation to meet growing demands and drive long-term economic growth. Beyond the numbers, these investments directly translate into employment opportunities, capacity building for local communities, and sustainable economic returns for resource owners. They ensure that tangible benefits are meaningfully shared across communities, villages, and families throughout Fiji, creating a living legacy of opportunity for future generations. As Fiji pursues the aspirations set out in the National Development Plan and honors its commitments under the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, our vision is both ambitious and achievable. That is to sustain economic growth of 6% per annum and attain high-income country status by 2050. The achievement for these national objectives will require more than sound policy and effective governance. It will require enduring partnerships with institutions that share our commitment for long-term prosperity, for social progress, and economic transformation. Organizations such as BSP Life have a vital role to play in supporting Fiji's development journey and ensuring that growth delivers tangible benefits for all our people. BSP Life's long-standing commitment to promoting financial security and long-term financial planning contributes directly to our national objectives of building a more inclusive, resilient, and financially empowered society. By encouraging households to save, to invest, and plan for the future, the institution supports greater economic resilience at both the family and national levels. Such efforts are fundamental to widening financial inclusion, strengthening social protection, and fostering sustainable economic growth. Non-communicable disease continues to impose significant social and economic costs on our nation, affecting families, communities, and workforce productivity. Through its advocacy and investment in wellness initiatives, BSP Life complements national efforts to improve health outcomes and promote healthier lifestyles. In doing so, it contributes to the broader objective of enhancing the well-being and productivity of our people, which remains central to Fiji's long-term development agenda. BSP Life also occupies a position of considerable importance within Fiji's financial landscape. As the nation's second largest institutional investor, after the National Provident Fund, the organization plays a critical role in mobilizing domestic savings and directing capital towards productive investments. These investments support enterprise development, infrastructure, employment creation, and broader economic activity, all of which are essential in Fiji if Fiji is to achieve the sustained growth rate required to realize its ambition of becoming a high-income economy by 2050. I recall with great pride the occasion on which I had the honor of serving as the chief guest to commemorate BSP Life's investment portfolio, reaching the landmark figure of $1 billion. Today, as the portfolio advances steadily towards the $2 billion mark, it serves as a powerful testament to the institution's prudent stewardship, strategic foresight, and the enduring confidence that generations of Fijians have placed in it. As we look towards the future, the government remains committed to working closely with responsible institutions such as BSP Life in advancing the priorities of the National Development Plan, expanding financial inclusion, strengthening economic resilience, promoting healthier communities, and increasing investment in the sectors that will drive sustainable growth. Together, through a shared commitment to national development and sustainable progress, we can create a future in which economic growth is not only stronger, but also more inclusive. A future in which prosperity is more widely shared. The recent signing of the Wupale Union marks a transformative chapter in our nation's history by building a stronger foundation for economic resilience, regional stability, and shared prosperity across the Pacific. These frameworks create an enabling environment for robust economic ecosystems where banking, insurance, and long-term investment can thrive, can reinforce our financial resilience, and strengthen our nation as a hub of opportunities across the Pacific. As we continue to champion the Ocean of Peace principles, we are reminded that true peace is built not only through diplomacy and cooperation amongst nations, but also through the strength, the resilience, and the well-being of our communities. Economic inclusion, financial security, and social cohesion are essential pillars of a peaceful, stable, and prosperous nation. Through its contribution to household resilience, long-term investment, and community well-being, BSP Life exemplifies how responsible institutions can help translate these regional aspirations into tangible outcomes. In doing so, it supports a future in which the people of Fiji and the wider Blue Pacific can pursue development, security, and prosperity in a manner that is inclusive, sustainable, and beneficial to both present and future generations. As we pursue the objective of the National Development Plan, institutions such as BSP Life will remain indispensable partners of our nation's progress. in our nation's progress. Through the prudent stewardship of capital and continued investment in productive sectors, BSP Life is not only honoring its commitment to its customers, but also supporting employment, stimulating economic activity, and strengthening Fiji's standing as an attractive destination for investment. Guided by our shared vision and the Fiji's development priorities, I encourage BSP Life to continue investing with confidence and purpose, helping to build a more prosperous, resilient, and inclusive future for all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's celebration is a testament to the enduring legacy, institutional strength, and unwavering commitment of BSP, marking 150 years of driving national progress, empowering communities, and securing a prosperous financial future for generations of Fijians. I take this opportunity to commend the senior management and staff of BSP Life and BSP Group for their visionary leadership, dedication, and selfless service in upholding a standard of excellence that has significantly transformed our financial industry. Let us continue to work together in the spirit of Solidarity to ensure our economic growth remains inclusive, resilient, and deeply rooted in delivering lasting prosperity for all our communities and the generations to come. God bless you. God bless Fiji. Congratulations again.